Well, I've been asked to speak on the to speak on behalf of the current governors. Well, Governor Wike, give him a goodwill message on behalf of the current governors. You know, sometimes I've gotten so used to him being governor of Rivers State that when I'm asking my ADC to call him, I say, call me Governor Rivers. So I also have to get used to that he's a former governor, but at least not retired and not tired. So Nigeria is still waiting for you. I looked around the table, and from the class of 1999, I know you have a lot of class of 1999 governors here. In Rivers State, you have 1999 to 2007, Sir Dr. Victor Odili. You have from 2007 to 2015, and then Governor Wike 2015 to 2023, and then SYMFONI from 2023. So out of 4 governors from 1999 till now, you have 3 here. That's 75%. So locally, it's called 75%. Now, if we look at the array of dignitaries here, you have the National Working Committee of PDP here. You have a Senate President that is of APC. You have senators, both APC and PDP. Someone call himself Mr. Unifier, but from what I see in this room, the true unifier is Governor Wike. He brought everybody from north and south to this place. Now he's been called so many names. They said Mr. Hurricane, Mr. Project. From all of us at G-5, I'm going to unveil a secret today. One name that nobody has called him openly. I'll call him because when he was talking in church, he said, me and the youth leader, Abi. Well, we always call him Mr. Naked Wire because someone is calling him and he looked at it. Of course, he doesn't save anybody's name on his phone, but he knows all the numbers offhand. So he's looking at it and said, this guy is calling me. He will hear it today. And he will take it and say, why are you calling me? Thunder fire you. So we call him Mr. Naked Wire because if you don't want trouble, please don't cross his path. On behalf of all the current governors, let me say that I have been extremely lucky to have met the class of 2019.